Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. 8. Giving advice and opinions. Dear Ellen, I just received your letter and I want to let you know my opinion of your plans for the future. I hope you won't take offense, but will accept what I say here as some fatherly advice. I was quite surprised when I read in your letter that you had decided not to finish your studies at the university. I realize that Peter wants you to marry him this summer. But with only one more year to go, you would be well advised to finish. A year is really a short time, and later you will be glad you postponed getting married. As you know, my reaction to Peter was extremely favorable when I met him. He's an exceptionally fine young man and should be a good husband. But I suggest you complete your education first. You are 21, a grown-up young lady old enough to make up your own mind. This is something you'll have to work out yourself. As your uncle, I have always tried not to interfere in your affairs and I don't intend to begin now. But, my dear niece, please do consider my words very carefully before you decide. Whatever you do, though, Ellen, you know I only want one thing for you, and that is your happiness. Affectionately, Uncle Tim. Answer the following questions. 1. What was Ellen's uncle surprised about? 2. How much longer did Ellen have to study to complete her education at the university? 3. What was Ellen's uncle's opinion of Peter? 4. What did he advise Ellen to do? 5. What was the one thing that Ellen's uncle wanted for her? 6. Do you think Ellen should wait or marry Peter this summer?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.